Hey, it's Logan over at Socialverse. I just wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys, and sorry about the lighting. I am just at the office watching the sunrise come up, and I just figured I'd make this quick little video for you guys. So let's show you what smart forms are with Socialverse. With Socialverse and the SVMessenger specifically, we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pre-built smart forms templates that you can start from and use to get a kickstart for your business. So whether you're trying to do an admissions form for college or university or some sort of program or education or community, whatever it may be, whether you need to collect a donation or a file, or whether you need a business form such as like software evaluation forms or business credit apply, or maybe just a get an estimate or get a quote button or get a quote form. So we can do that. So let's just go with a general get in touch template right now. So here we have it. We can come in here with smart forms inside of the SVMessenger provided by Socialverse. We can come in here and fully customize this form to our business. We can change the color schemes all with a few clicks of a button. Maybe we want to go with this blue. And then from here, you can actually come in and actually edit every single part of this form to customize it to your business. So you can come in here and change the heading, add a subheading. We can come in here and change the font size if we want. We can change where the alignment is on it. We can add images. We can move this around. We can come up here and move the form to customize it. We can duplicate this. We can delete this if we don't like this. And then we can also click this plus button over here and add all of these other elements directly to our form right within the SVMessenger. So whether you want to add another name part or a note section for them to leave you a note, to collect their birthday, to file upload, to upload a video, whatever it may be, they can do right in here. And then you can come to preview it and you can actually see what it'll look like on desktop, in a tablet, or a mobile view. You can also open it in a new tab. You can jump back to the editor. You can customize the settings more. So you can obviously adjust the title of it, the status of it, whether it's enabled, disabled on a specific date, disabled on a submission limit when a specific number of people actually submit the form. You can set up field mapping. So whenever someone sets up and submits one of the options in your form, it maps to your CRM's contact profile. So all that data is right inside of your CRM, which is the key. That is the key. This is little trick that'll save you a ton of time and actually help you make more money. It's just managing your CRM better. So you can set up a custom thank you page. You can set up conditions, header settings, footer settings, SEO settings, and more. So you can also go into share here, and share allows you to pretty much copy the link and open in a new tab. You can share directly on social media, or you can embed this. So this is where we actually make it work for us. So we can get this iframe code and embed this anywhere on the internet, on your website, just with this iframe code. You can also embed in a web page through one of our pre-built code shortcodes. So we have our pretty much full page editor here, where we'll want to basically embed this entire option. If you want to do like a pop-up, which is this button, if you want to do a slider, which is actually down in the corner, if you want to do a popover, if you want to do a side tab. So you can come in here and customize this and pretty much set up how you want it to appear and where you want it to appear on your website. So something like this, or a slider. There are so many different options, and you can fully come in here and customize it with the SVMessenger provided by Socialverse. That is just a quick demo of smart forms and what it is and what you can do with it. Now, one thing I will mention is the power and why it is called smart forms is because we can link it to a campaign. So a campaign inside of Socialverse Messenger is an automation. So we can send a text message, a call, an email, whatever we want to do. We can set up a campaign to automate that. So once someone submits the form in your form that you created, you can set up a text message to be sent to them saying, hey, we received your form. We'll respond here shortly. So you can also link them to a pipeline, so it adds them to a new deal or moves them to a deal section or moves them to a support ticket. Whatever your form is, you can set up a custom CRM and a custom pipeline for that to fit inside of that, as well as set up automations to pretty much save you time and start making you more money. So other than that, that was a quick demo of smart forms provided by Socialverse through the SVMessenger. If you have any questions, please drop them below this video and we'll be sure to get back to you. Other than that, that's been Logan with Socialverse. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of this sunrise now. Talk to you guys later.